Hey, so I'm back from the shop. Well, not back, I left the shop. Funny story. While I was in the shop, I was talking as if the camera was still rolling. I momentarily forgot that I turned it off and explained why I was turning it off. Just a bit of a brain fart there. I'm quite new to this vlogging lark. I did a vlog when I crashed my bike a couple of years back, and I do videos on YouTube now and again, but I don't really consider them vlogging. It's more me talking on the camera. It's starting to rain now, but that's okay. I could have crossed. Me talking on the camera about things that I know about, like video games and stuff. Just waiting for the light. Come on. I'm risking it. Right. Sorry for the dead air there, guys. There was someone standing directly next to me, so got a bit self-conscious. Walking down this dark road here on the way back. Different way to our walk there. So you'll see less here. Just do a pan around like that, and see you on the other side.